Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Future with Cryptocurrency. So in this video we are gonna see the chart analysis of Bitcoin. We're gonna observe like what the current Bitcoin price action is and if we can look out for some trades so that we can make a huge profit this month. So please make sure to watch this video till the end so that you can get all the entry levels and the target levels that you can take a trade in upcoming days. So that will gonna definitely give you a great profit. So let's start. So we are gonna analyze the Bitcoin with USDT pair. So let me first do it in the USDT. Yep. So this is the chart of BTC USDT pair. So the difference which you will find in my channel from the rest of the other YouTube videos is like I won't be coming up with the already done chart analysis and with all the indicator stuff. What my channel will offer will be like it will be I'm gonna show the live technical analysis, how I plot my indicators, how the technical analysis actually is done. So for example, what currently BTC is like, it's in the support or resistance range. What I mean by that is, let me show you really quick. Yeah, so in past several days what we were saying was this was the support line which BTC was respecting and bouncing from here again and again, and once it has done enough consolidation, it just got broke from here and we have seen the downfall. So similar pattern we can also see here as well. So this was the support line which we were respecting here, and once this channel was break, we have seen a sharp fall side down over here. So in a similar fashion we can observe here as well. So currently BTC is respecting this support line, and if we plot upper resistance also, we can see that it's in a sideways, it's in a uptrend channel. So there are two possibilities. If it breaks from yeah, so if it breaks from here, it's gonna see the upside move from here, or if it breaks this channel from here, we're gonna see the downside move. So what I mean by that is, let me plot the both the possibilities what can happen over here. So yeah, so this is one of the support level which I am seeing here, since this was the sharp spike which we have seen on about 18th June this year. So if we are gonna see the downfall from this channel, why I am expecting to come till over this level is, so yeah, so this channel's range is about 1580 points approx. So if we are gonna see the upside move, so it will go up to this level. Let me plot this as well, this level. Or if the channel breaks in the downward position from here, so it will gonna come to this level, that is exactly 17,667. So just make sure that you observe like where the trend is going. If it's gonna break this level, just you can make a long trade and your target should be at least 22,669. And if it breaks in the downward direction, you can take a trade, you can short BTC over here and took a trade for minimum of 5%. Like this will be my first support at 18,190 USDT, and the second support will be over here, $17,691. Let me now come over here in 4 hours chart. So what 4 hours chart is telling us, like, yeah, so our for a shorter time range we can see that the nearest resistance will be like this one, since we have seen a bounce from over here. So our first resistance will be at 18,932, and if we are going to break this one, then we are going to see 17,670. That is the second resistance, second support. Okay, so let me do a really quick analysis based on the indicators as well. So many of you must be aware of the RSI indicator, that is relative strength index. So let me just plot this. Yeah, so this is the RSI indicator. So in RSI also we can plot like if it's gonna break in upside direction or in the downside direction. So I'll show you like how we can do this. So let me just, yeah, so this is the RSI indicator. So if we will plot the support in RSI as well, so we can determine like if we are analyzing in the right direction or not. So approximately this is the support in our RSI indicator. So from here the channel got started. This is the second time we have touched the lower side of this channel, and this is the third time we are going to touch the lower side of the channel. So if this RSI level, currently it is in just touching this support level, so if the daily, this is the daily chart, right? So if this daily closing candle closes below this level, like the if RSI goes below this trend line, then we can be double confirmed like we are gonna see this downward levels very soon. So this was one of the reason I am bearish right now in case of BTC. And of course for the long term basis I am bullish, but currently for this month I am bearish. Like we are again yet to see these two levels if possible. So for the long term basis, let me show you the analysis what I am expecting for the long term. So these are the so these are the two double bottom pattern which we are seeing over here. Like let me plot this curve. Yeah, so this is the first bottom and this is the second bottom. Where is it? Yeah, this is the second bottom here. And as per the analysis, if we break these level, this is the neckline for this one. Like this is the W pattern you can see. So this is the neckline which will act as a resistance for the long term basis. So the resistance is 25,244. So don't worry, we are not gonna see this resistance anytime soon. But yeah, for the long term, if you're a positional trader, you can plan for short selling over from here 25,280, because we have seen a sharp selling from this level up to this level. So for the double bottom, right? Yeah, we were discussing for double bottom. So currently we are seeing this double bottom pattern, and we are noticing like the RSI level, it's not popping up. Yeah, so at this level the price was much lower than this level. So here it is, the price at this level is 17,715 and RSI is about like minus 370, or I'm not sure why it's not showing over here. RSI, let me plot again this RSI. I'm not sure why it's not showing correctly. Okay, so at this level RSI is showing its level of 21.11, that is oversold range, and at this level we are seeing RSI to be at 38. So we are noticing that RSI is rising very slowly, but at the end it is rising, right? So for the long term we can see this as a support line level for our RSI. So we can notice like this is the long term support for this. So this is the double bottom, and since RSI is also rising, we can see that BTC is bullish in the long term basis. And for this double bottom we are again, if you notice it, let me go to 4 hours chart, we can notice it more clearly. So yeah, so this is okay. So this is again the double bottom pattern. This is the first bottom and this is the second bottom pattern. And if we can see the RSI indicator, what it indicates is the RSI at this level is about 26 and RSI at the same level. So this is the same level and this one is also same level, and RSI here is 41. that is much greater than what we were seeing previously here. So RSI has been rising from this point. So we can make sure that we can be pretty sure like RSI is rising in the long term range. So if you are taking trade for more than a couple of months, like if you are entering this into the trade like for today for the next 2 to 3 months, then you can be bullish for this. And my target for the long term basis will be the same, like 22,723. And if we break this neckline level, then our next target will be 25,196. And suppose if we break this level as well, 25,100, then our target will be same as the level of this side of W pattern which we are seeing. That is yeah, so our target if we break this neck level will be till this one, 35,811. So this must be the support or resistance of some previous. See, so this we can see like this is the support resistance level. So currently it will act as a resistance. So but previously it was acting as a support, so we were seeing a sharp spike over here, and again we were bouncing again and again. So based on this, for short term basis I am pretty much bearish right now. So if we break this level, we can see a sharp upside move till 22,570. And if we break this level, the second resistance will be 25,280. So make sure that you currently have a watch over this channel. So based on my logic, if we break this channel in the downward position, we are gonna see the downside move till 17,700. And if we break this channel in the upside direction, we will see the upside move till 22,600. So yeah, these are my analysis for Bitcoin for today. And if you are a scalper, let me quickly switch to the 15 minutes chart and see if there is any chance or opportunity which we are seeing for scalping. So here I am seeing forming the upper bound as well as I am seeing the lower bound. Okay, so we are seeing the symmetrical triangle formation over here, and it is in a consolidation phase. So if we will see the volume, like how's the volume is getting. So see, since this candle the volume is continuously decreasing, so here we are pretty sure like we are in the consolidation phase. And whenever we break this triangle symmetrical pattern in either side, whether if we break in the upside move or in a downside move, if we'll break in an upside move, then we are gonna see the upside moment of this much. And if we'll break in the downside move, then we will be seeing the downward move of this much. So let me quickly give you the support and resistance for scalpers. So for the purpose of scalping, if we break either side, so whenever you see a single candle breaking this and closing it above this trend line or below this trend line, so you can initiate the trade, and your target should be in upside move should be 1900 19,900 approx, and in downside your target should be about 19,100. So it will be about 400 points, $400 in either of the direction. So for scalpers as well, we have decided our trade. And for long positional traders as well, we have seen all the levels. So you can mark these levels if you like the technical analysis of what we did right now. So if you have any questions related to this technical analysis, so please do ask in this video's comment section. So I'll surely be happy to answer all your queries. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Thanks.